صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
The non-political movement of the propagation of Quran and Sunnah, Dawud Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madinah, now presents you with a well-renowned booklet named Corpse of a Child, written by Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Dawud Barakatuhumul Aliyah, consisting of 20 pages. You will find in this booklet such as: what is Karama? Marvel. Can a human revive the dead? Scientist's vision. The well of Ghawth-e-Azam, and other useful information in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawud Islami, www.dawudislami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madinah and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madinah in marriage ceremonies, tragic events, and congregational events in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।